Check this out. I'm creating full-size Volkswagen Beetle out of foam. It's a classic, such a popular and iconic car. I have already started working on it, and right there I have 4 sections for the left and right sides. These are for the front bumper, and this one fits here to complete the piece. This section for the rear bumper, and this little piece goes here like this. So there is another similar part like this, and that one comes here, and they will form a complete piece. So follow me to see the full process.